As a parent, nothing is more terrifying than the thought of your child experiencing a life-threatening allergic reaction when you're not there to protect them. If you're new here, we share a success story each month as part of our Moving Forward feature, giving real-world examples of cases we've handled and how we've helped families move forward. Now, let's get into it. For this month's case discussion, we'll be talking about a young child who found themselves in a terrifying situation due to their daycare's negligence. Despite having clear documentation of this child's peanut allergy on file, the daycare never informed the caregivers of the child's allergy. During snack time, the child was given trail mix, which is a snack filled with different types of nuts. As a result, the child's body quickly went into anaphylaxis, a severe, life-threatening allergic reaction. The child became distressed and afraid as their throat began to close up and hives formed across their chest. The daycare failed to have any protocol in place for handling a medical emergency. To make matters worse, the staff didn't have the parents' correct contact information on file and were unable to reach them as the child was rushed to the hospital in an ambulance. The young child arrived at the hospital barely able to breathe and vomiting. Fortunately, the doctors were able to provide them with epinephrine to ease their allergic reaction. When the child's mother arrived to pick them up from daycare, she found out about the incident and rushed to the hospital. But the horror didn't end there. Despite the child's physical recovery, they had trouble dealing with the profound emotional distress in the aftermath. The incident deeply affected the child's relationship with food. The child became picky and more difficult to feed out of the fear of having another reaction. Because the traumatic incident happened under the supervision of another adult, the child lost trust in everyone besides their mom. This is commonly known as separation anxiety and can develop in children after traumatic incidents. Separation anxiety often manifests itself as clinging to a parent in a way far beyond what is normal for children. When the child's family came to us, we discovered that this daycare had over 20 citations against them for missing records, improper training, and more. Our team at the Button Law Firm took action to hold the daycare accountable, ensuring justice for the family. Now the family could redirect their attention to the child's full recovery. If your child is experiencing an allergic reaction due to daycare negligence, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our team is dedicated to getting justice for your family and holding negligent daycares accountable so injuries like this don't happen again. If you have more questions about daycare injuries but aren't ready to talk to us just yet, we've created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.